Good morning, Jeffrey. Happy Children's Day as we celebrated today in Poland and not only in Poland. So I hope you will enjoy your day and you will have fun. And you will do just your favorite activities today as it's your holiday. So for today, a plan is a bit different. So we are seeing each other as usually at 10:30. However, the lessons today will look a bit differently and your tasks look a bit differently. So today I published a list of tasks and actually there is a free choice. So you may choose three activities you like. So you can make up your own dance, you can sketch, you can use an old sock to create a puppet, you can learn origami, and there are some links for that. You can build using Lego or playing cards, or you can become a photographer for a moment and take some photos of your family, your pets, nature. Or you can just build a reading den, like tent, some pleasure place and read your favorite book there. Watch your favorite movie or write and illustrate your own story. If you prefer spending time in an active way, play frisbee, skip rope, fly a kite. Just uh, do what you want, do what you like, okay? Just to enjoy your day as it's your holiday. There is one obligatory task actually, which I would like you to do. So, for writing, I would like you to take a piece of paper or publish the template or print out the template I published on Google Drive. And I want you to write the best things about being age 7, 8, 9, 10, depending how old you are. Okay? So write what are the best things about your age? Hmm? Your favorite subjects, your favorite activities, the things that you enjoy doing, the things you don't need to do yet, you don't have to do yet because you're too young. Think about it. And I would like you actually to keep that piece of paper, to keep that piece of writing. You can ask your parents to place it in a safe place, to put it in a safe place, or you will put it in a safe place. And I want you to read it when you're 18, because when you will become an adult, you will appreciate the things you could do when you were a child. So that's the only obligatory activity for today, actually. Do some writing. You can illustrate your writing if you want. And for as extra activities, you can use Backclap to read a book online, or Wonderopolis to read or listen to the text about favorite games of the kids around the world. You can also test your knowledge there. So the link is in our plan. And for maths, you can practice maths using Mathletics, or you can count how old you are and tell me the results using days, weeks, or months. Okay, so it's more a small challenge for you. And in the plan, there are also the links for origami bookmark corners, as it's one of the activities you may choose for today. So see you at 10:30. I hope you will enjoy your day, and I hope the weather is fine today. So have fun, do the things you enjoy, and happy Children's Day again. See you at 10:30.